Children. Children, let's recapitulate this chapter Evolution of Transport. In the last class, we learnt about the invention of wheels and also learnt that the gradual development of the transport from palanquin to sledges and sledges to the carts. And we also observed the pictures in the development from the roller log to the wheels joined to the axle. Then later I discussed about reaching distant places. Distant places means far off places. Under that I explained about the nomads, their occupation, how they settled down and how there was a growth of civilization especially along the river banks. These necessities led to the discoveries and invention which subsequently led to the development and evolution of different means of transport. The different means of transport can be divided into three types: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Once again, we will revise the vocabulary from this chapter. Commuter means someone who travels regularly to and from work. The second one is locomotive. Locomotive means the vehicle at the front of a train that pulls it. The third one is trade. Trade means the activities of buying and selling goods. The fourth one is voyage, a long journey, especially by boat. Now let's discuss the question and answers from this lesson. Why is the improvement of transportation system a priority among nations? From early times, people moved from place to place to meet other people or to exchange news or messages. Another important reason why people travel is to carry out trade. Therefore, improvement in transport has always been a priority among nations. The second question is, state the advantages of using a bicycle. The answer is, the advantages of using the bicycles are as follows. Bicycles are environment friendly and do not pollute the atmosphere. Bicycles provide good exercise and therefore are good for the health. Bicycles are affordable. Affordable means inexpensive. Now let's move on to the third question. Why is the invention of steam engine considered a major breakthrough in the field of transportation? It was with the invention of the steam engine that transportation underwent a complete revolution. These engine powered vehicles were more dependable. They could carry heavier loads and move much faster. The first locomotive to use the power of steam was developed in England in early 19th century. Now let's move on to the fourth question. Who invented the aeroplane? The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright, discovered the aeroplane. Now we'll move on to B mean. Right, true or false. The first one is steam engine revolutionized transportation. Yes, it is true. The second one is during early times, people went from one place to another in helicopters. No, it is false. Third one is water transport was among the earliest means of transportation. Yes, it is true. Fourth one is oil is carried by special ships called tankers. Yes, it is true. The fifth one is use of public transport increases environmental pollution. It is false statement. Sixth one is pollution is a great health hazard. Yes, it is true. Here are the answers for the given true or false. Copy it in your textbook. Now let's move on to the C mean fill in the blanks. The growth of dash around river banks helped in the development of means of water transport. The answer is civilization. The growth of civilization around river banks helped in the development of means of water transport. The second one is rich people used dash palki to travel from one place to another. Rich people used palanquin. Palanquin means pallaki you say no, to travel from one place to another. The third one, good roads with dash and dash help speed up movement of traffic. Good roads with flyovers and expressway help speed up the movement of traffic. The fourth one is dash were used first to travel short distances in the sky. Hot air balloons were used first to travel short distances in the sky. Fifth one, dash and dash are the greatest problems that have emerged with the development of transportation. Environmental pollution and traffic congestion are the greatest problems that have emerged with the development of transportation. Here are the answers for the given blanks. Please copy it in your reader. In the next video, we will learn more about the famous explorers and the routes they took to discover new lands. Thank you. Hariom.